Today I'm going to teach you how to get a Canva Pro for free. Yes, you heard me right. It is completely free. And the most interesting part of it is that it is for a lifetime. Yes, you are going to get Canva Pro for free and it is for a lifetime. You know, as a content creator, you need Canva Pro to create your designs like your thumbnail, yes, especially if you're a YouTuber. There are many things that you can create with a Canva. You can use it to create thumbnail, you can use it to create flyer, logo, videos, depending on the kind of content that you create. Yes, even PDF, there are a lot of things that you can do with Canva. And Canva Pro will give you enough advanced feature that will make your designs to stand out. Yes, and in today's video, I will show you a secret way to get Canva Pro for free and for a lifetime. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into this video. Go to your Chrome browser. Then you type in www.bingotingo.com. As you can see, it's already in my browser. Once I type W, it will pop up because I've been using it for more than 1 year. So when it opens this interface, you scroll down. You now see where there is how to use Canva. You click on it. When you click on it, it will open this interface. Then you scroll down. When you get to this place that is counting down, you wait. You allow it to count down to 0. Then it will bring out download button. When the download button comes out, you click on it. It will bring out this. You see something like this, and you click on get here. If you click on get here, it will ask you whether you want to choose Canva app or Chrome. I normally choose Chrome because if it directs you to Canva app, it used to ask funny. And when it opens this, you choose let's go, and that is it. You have gotten your Canva Pro. You have joined the Canva Pro class. Look at it. Let's go to create video and see. When you scroll down, as you can see, every pro feature will be written edu instead of paid or pro. Once it's written edu, you can now start using it. Actually, this is Canva edu, but it has everything that Canva Pro has. So everything you need in Canva Pro, you see it in Canva edu. If you choose to open it in Chrome browser, click on that 3 dots at the right hand side of your Chrome browser. Then click on add to home screen. You can name it anything you want and click on add. Click on add automatically so that it will be in your home screen, so that whenever you want to open it, you just click on it and it will open. Look at it. It has shown up in my home screen. So whenever I want to use it, I will just click on it and it will open directly. You see. And that's it. So that's it. It's very simple and easy to get. Sometimes it can expire in a few weeks, or it can last up to a month. But whenever it expires, Don't panic. Just go through the same process and you get a new one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and give us a share. Bye.